Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Green color, green color, purple color, purple color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, brown color, brown color, green color. A for apple, green color. A for apple, purple color. B for ball. B for ball, red color. C for cat, red color. C for cat, yellow color. D for dog. D for dog, blue color. E for eagle, blue color. E for eagle, brown color. F for fish, brown color. F for fish, green color. G for grapes. G for grapes, red color. H for hen. H for hen, yellow color. I for ice cream, blue color. J for joker. J for joker, brown color. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo, purple color. L for lemon. L for lemon, red color. M for mango. M for mango, blue color. N for nest. N for nest. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.